Matt doesn't want to be in the frame. We're back! Sorry for the lack of video last week. We basically just wanted a week off, didn't we? Every weekend, like, we do car stuff, obviously, to get the videos ready, and we always try and get like a couple of weeks ahead. And we just got to the point where we're like, we can't actually be bothered.
Well, also it was pouring rain.
It was pouring rain. I was ill. I was in between changing jobs, so everything was a bit hectic. And I just needed a nice early night, and we just needed to get back on track. So today, I've done a buy, obviously, and I'm going to show you what I bought. So today, I have bought this beauty, which is obviously a boot build. I picked this up for a really, really good price off of one of the Mini guys on the group, and I really like it because it's got this bit. It's got the wings.
Mini wings.
Yeah, obviously it's got a fusion sub. I know nothing about that. All I know is I've got an edge, and apparently this is better. And I'll show you just the back of it as well. So it's proper solid wood. It weighs a ton, doesn't it, for the size of it. Obviously you've got all the amp and everything there. We need to take that fuse off because I've already got a fuse on my car, and obviously you can see the back of it. So we're gonna have to do a bit of cutting to get that in as well, aren't we? But yeah, honestly, the wood is solid, isn't it?
Yeah, it's good quality.
It proper weighs a ton. So we're gonna be getting this in my car. Disgusting. I will just go and have a look at how much I've got in my boot. That we need to empty.
Yeah, I've got a few bits of poo on my car, on the bonnet.
Oh, nothing major.
No, not as bad as it has been.
We've got to get all this shit out. So that is my cleaning kit, which I carry around for no reason whatsoever, really. I have my air
tyre
Dad
thingy.
got me this with my little air blower thing. I've got some sliders. You never know when you might need them, and a hammer.
A hammer, case.
Because camping, you always forget. Right, let's get this out. Back. So disconnected now, we've pretty much got to wait, haven't we?
Wait for what?
For the battery to drain? No? Okay. Yeah, just a little, there should be one in there. If you put that seat forward, you should be able to grab it. I'm so glad to see the back of this. Oh, to be fair, this has been with me for so long. It was in my Polo, it was in this. And to be fair, it's not a bad sub, like, I mean, it's so scratched and everything, but it looks so nice. Hold. Don't touch anything. So yeah, we're just taking the fuse off now because I've got one in my car, haven't I? And there's just no point having two. And this will be explained when we get it in. I'm quite excited. We'll miss having all my cleaning stuff in there. I kind of as well want to put the seats down to see it. Letting Matt cut my car, this is literally relationship trust. It's hard though because it's kind of lost all its structure. With the world's shittiest knife as well, he's cutting it with. Hey, it's working though. Are you gonna push that carpet through? All I'm thinking is like, so the sub's not on the metal. So like that. Yeah, just have it sitting in that square. Right, Dad's home. So that's what we meant about cutting a hole for this big sub. Rest on. So we're ready to actually abort filming because it wasn't even rain, it was hail. Matt sat there with his bum out as usual, and hail's going down it. So this is basically a moment of truth to see. I thought the air pressure's going to block it. It actually hasn't. This is basically a moment of truth to see if we've done it right. If it works. If it works. Which I do trust the person who bought it off, so that's not really. I could have just done ignition, but my phone connects better. Hopefully my phone hasn't disconnected from this thing. Yes, it hasn't. Okay. Dun dun dun. I'm gonna play a song. I'm gonna play quite a bassy song actually, so we can sort of hear it. Although I need a copyright song basically. And what this song's gonna sound like. It's on flat with that super bass. I don't really want it on that.
No, don't put super bass.
It's on natural.
You just need to like let the bass kick in.
Let the bass kick in. Oh, hang on, no, that was me.
I heard you had a couple boyfriends. I heard they didn't treat you right. I heard you're hated by your girlfriends, 'cause all the guys want you tonight. Yeah, they say she's too hot, they say she's too cold. Where she came from, nobody really knows.
So I'm actually made, we fitted something and it went to plan on the Mini.
Yeah,
That never ever ever happens. So I'm buzzing. It works, it sounds good. I don't really know if it's any better than the Edge one.
It's probably just not set up right.
I don't know.
But it's, I don't know, could be wrong. I don't really know.
We don't
much.
really know subs, do we?
But normally they're in like a closed box, aren't they? Whereas that's just against the floor. Because normally the box is what makes the noise. Something to do with air, I think. Like,
so what I'm gonna do as well, get a like cage for it. Not the, what was you saying distorts the sound?
no, like a plastic.
Yeah, we
like
don't
cup.
want a plastic thingy over
Because that would
it.
just rattle probably.
Yeah, so I'm thinking of just getting the bars just so that if I do want to put something in the boot, you know, just a little something, even though I'll probably just chuck in the back anyway, that, you know, if I forget, because that's something I will probably do, just chuck something in the boot and forget about it, at least the cage will protect the sub. So, that's all good. I'm just buzzing that it went to plan, because nothing
it
on
took
this
like
car
5 minutes.
ever goes to plan. It was great, it was literally straight plug in, but we was quite lucky because we bought it off someone at a bargain price, and it's just a nice little touch, really.
I like it.
I like it too. So thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing. So we've got quite a few subscribers this week now. We're on like 234 or something, which is
Getting up there.
pretty crazy for a channel. We only started like not even a year ago yet. We started in May last year, so to get that many for us is pretty cool. And with the way me and Matt are talking, there's going to be something big happening this year, isn't there?
Well, we'd like to have something
We'd like
big
to be
happen.
thinking something big's going to happen this year. I'm not pregnant, because that's what people are going to think. That is 100% what people are going to think. I'm not pregnant, we're not getting married. You know,
No,
it's
not
car
the
based.
standard thing.
Yeah, this is car based channel, so just let it mind. But yeah, no pregnancy, no babies, no marriage. We haven't bought a dog. We don't live together.
I'd love to have a dog though.
We don't live together because we keep buying stupid cars.
Yeah.
But anyway, stay tuned, and who knows what's coming next.
I don't.
No babies, that's all I know.
That's all I care about.
Over and out.
Bye.
I heard you look good in a sundress. I heard you look good when you're undressed. I heard you like to get away. I heard you like to stay out late.